software development has a process. You need to learn that process. And if you know that process, it's going to be much easier to get moving towards a career within software development. Hi, my name is John Shelburne, and I am the CEO and founder of Catfix Technologies. It is a financial software company, and I'm coming from a background of probably about 25, 26 years in the financial markets. So I used to trade bonds. I was a salesperson. I acquired a $1.5 to $2 million business for 25,000 pounds. And it was like paying pennies for a Ferrari. And immediately when I acquired the code, I recognized that I was in way over my head. I was introduced to this website called GitLab that I know very well right now, but when I was looking at what's now, I had no idea what a repo was. And so to gain value out of what I actually acquired, my motivation was I need to go back to school and I need to learn what I actually acquired here. My learning experience was probably unique from others because I had a live situation that I had to handle. So this class addressed my real world situation and solved real world problems for me. And it solved all the way from like, I don't know how to write a function or a variable, all the way to, I don't know what Docker and what the distribution process will be like on AWS. So it covered everything. I think my favorite part of the program, this is going to sound a little bit strange, was it's learning about version control. And the reason why I say that is the whole idea of version control was never introduced to me in my previous careers. And once you understand version control and just the idea of development, production, and then the idea of you need to run a unit test against what's happening within your development environment before you even release anything into production, because production is the golden branch. It's the master branch. I think my top skill that I learned was the database and learning about NoSQL databases and exactly what NoSQL databases do in relation to SQL databases. I was trying to apply those skills I learned into MongoDB, and it turned out that it gets really expensive really fast. And so what the class taught me, it was like, hey, this is how you can optimize your cost on the databases. Be patient and ask a lot of questions. And it's so important that you understand plain vanilla JavaScript before you get into React and what you're doing with React. Don't think that you're not learning when you're just going through basic concepts, because you are learning. And that is really the fundamentals, learning the fundamentals. That is one of the biggest takeaways, and that is the biggest piece of advice.